Are you struggling to make your direct mail marketing efforts really count? Welcome to the world of AcclaimMailer, where your direct mailer isn't just another piece of paper, but a diamond in the rough. This potent tool stands out in a crowded stack of mailers, postcards, coupon packs, and junk mail, inviting immediate inspection by the recipient. What's more, the AcclaimMailer is available in affordable custom sizes, shapes, and thicknesses. Choose between high gloss and matte finishes, or opt for NVIO biodegradable plastic. AcclaimMailer goes the extra mile with USPS-informed delivery, Acclaim tracking, QR codes, and specialized lists. Every single mailer can be personalized with unique messaging and incentives, and the wallet-friendly coupons? They ensure your offers are kept and redeemed, giving your direct mail marketing the consistent and repeatable conversions it craves. If you're starting small or testing the waters, the Acclaim Flex program is your friend. Pay as you go and generate manageable results over time, building your profitable ROI throughout the year. So why not experience the power of the AcclaimMailer? Transform your direct mail outreach into a growth engine for your business today.